Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll start a new class series and we will be automating a salary sheet by using a lot of formulas and features of Excel. My name is Aziz and I will be your guide today. We will quickly start to create tables. By the way, this worksheet exists under more information under my video. You can download this file from my website. There's a link below. Please follow that link to download this file. Let's get started. We will be selecting the data by holding Shift Command, and for Windows users it's Shift Control right. That will choose all the columns that has data, and then we'll hold Shift Command or Shift Control for Windows users and down arrow. That will choose all of our data that exists on our sheet. We will go to Insert tab and we will hit on Table. As you can see, it automatically recognized where we selected. The most important thing here is to pay attention to this checkbox. If you have headers of your data, make sure you click this and check this box. If you do not have headers, uncheck it. If you have headers but you do not check this box, Excel automatically will create headers for you, which will be very inconvenient for you. We will hit OK. Voila, we have our table. Having table is extremely useful because you can format it pretty quickly. You can go to any shape and color you want, but I like this shape, so we'll be working on this shape. Today, we'll also see how to convert table to a regular range. You will click anywhere in the table, and then you will go up on the menu that says table, and you will click to convert to range. This will convert table to a range, but it will not bring your formatting back to the original. You will have this kind of formatting. Sometimes it's useful if you quickly want to format your data. Let's create table one more time, but now it'll be different. We will click anywhere in our data and we will go back to Insert Table. Now, as you can see, it automatically recognized where our data is. Now remember, if you have blank rows, Excel will not sometimes automatically recognize the whole data. You have to manually choose all the data you have. Again, my table has headers, this is important, and hit OK and done. Now, why we use tables? Because it is easier to refer to this data. Now we have named our range as table 4. If I click on this table 4, it will automatically choose the whole table, which becomes a lot easier to use and refer to this data. Now, we will see quickly another feature of the table. The table automatically copies all the formulas you write in one of the cells. So if I want to multiply this step by 5 and I want to drag it down, I don't have to do it. I can just start by writing equal sign, which Excel automatically recognizes that you want to type a formula. After you type equal sign, let's choose our 5 and then multiply it by 5. When I do that, as you can see, it automatically copied that formula relatively for all rows. Now, if you don't want to copy automatically and you did this by mistake, you can hit Command Z or Control Z on Windows and it will delete everything that was done automatically, but will keep your intentional formula. Now, this is an important feature to remember because if you don't do that, it can override all the manual formulas that you wrote down below. So at this point, we will hit Command or Control Z one more time, and now we have empty column, which we will be used on our next lesson for HLOOKUP. Thank you very much and see you at the next class.